Alright, so right now we are on our way to Hermitage, Pennsylvania to go to the Cadillac Buick GMC dealership. I don't know what we're going to take out, but it should be pretty fun. Today's vehicle of choice, Buick Envision. This one's got a T. I have no idea what the T means, but these Buicks are nice inside. So I know a lot of people like to shit on these new Buicks, but if you actually look at them, they're not that bad. They're kind of nice. Alright, so we got this Buick. Let's get some pictures of it. I'm actually just going to keep the microphone on top because, well, it's just easier to do it that way. This is one of the things I like using the ADD for, is the tilty flippy screen. I go down low, flip it this way, go up top, flip it this way. So if we come inside and we look, and we see like the nice leather seats, right? And this cool like center console. Yeah, it has like this fake wood in it, but it's not that bad, and it's done pretty tastefully, I think. Cool little features that, I mean, I see on most Cadillacs. We even have heated seats, rear heated seats. Also, something I think that's really cool is this ginormous sunroof, moonroof thing. Like, this thing just looks cool, man. It's massive. It's like a Tesla.
Not to mention, if you get it with the Bose speakers, it's pretty good too.
So, what'd you think of that Buick? I kind of like them. They're pretty cool cars, if you ask me. For what you're getting, the price you pay to the kind of the cool features that you get, I think it's pretty worth it. Let me know how you think the photos turned out. I edited all of them with my own presets and my own editing style. So that's pretty fun. Next week, we're going to be taking out a 2021 Escalade. Those, I heard, are pretty sick with all the cool features and all the cool things they have. Stay tuned for that one, and see you then.